Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am the mummy Finger. Carrot cake is a must-have when going to Starbucks. Let's make the Starbucks carrot cake at home. Please check the description below for the ingredients and the recipe. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Always sift the dry ingredients to avoid lumps. Mix the ingredients well. In a bowl, add 4 eggs, one cup of sugar, and beat well at high speed. Add 1 cup of oil or butter. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. Add the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients little by little and mix well. Add 3 cups of grated carrot. Fold the batter in. Add half cup of chopped walnuts. Pour the batter in 2 24cm greased pans. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Check if the cake is baked by inserting a toothpick or knife. For the cream cheese frosting, in a mixer, add 1 cup of unsalted butter and beat well. Add 1.5 cups of cream cheese. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract and beat well. Add 4 cups of powder sugar little by little and beat in between. Let's start assembling the cake. Place a cake layer and apply the cream cheese frosting on it. Place the second cake layer and apply the frosting on the top and the sides. Decorate the cake with chopped walnuts on the top and sides. Delicious Starbucks carrot cake is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.